Ang representatives dito, sir, from the 13 different RCDGs, or Regional Community Defense Groups. So, I represented the 10th RCDG, which is Region 10. So, kibali, 13 mi kabuok na dito kagahapon. The theme of the competition, sir, is preparing the youth to become leaders and better citizens. Kibali, ako ang nagbuhat sa akong speech with help of some people pod para pag-revise. Pero mostly, it was my speech. And pag-deliver nato dito, prepared na siya nga speech. So, we delivered mga 5 to 7 minutes. The judges were from different different nga categories. Naay lawyer, naay doctor. Pero most of them were members of the Toastmasters Club of the Philippines. Katong mga kabisado gid sa mga speeches. From the theme itself, sir, no, preparing the youth to become better citizens and leaders. Unta, dili lang ta magtanaw sa future, as what my colleague said yesterday in her speech. The youth, dili lang nato i-focus for tomorrow. Kay naay saying kayo sa Rizal pag yun nga, the youth is the hope or the future of our fatherland. Unta, dili lang unta ta mag-focus in the future, kundi atong unahon ang karon. Ang unsay nasa ato karon sa atong pagkabatanon sa atong mabuhat. So I'll post this as a challenge to my fellow youth nga dili lang unta ugma atong abangan kundi karon ta musugod og lihok para sa atong personal na kalambuan o sa kalambuan pud sa atong komunidad. I would like to acknowledge many people, sir, who have helped me achieve this. First of all, to my parents, kay sila ang nagmold sa ako to prepare me for this speech contest. To my grandparents, kay Almita Cruz and Tito Cruz, number 1 po sila gatabang sa ako kay silang nag-train sa ako for pila ka days. Nagtabang sila og develop my pronunciation, diction, the way I speak, the way I act in front of the crowd. So nakatabang gitug maayo. To the ROTC staff of MSU IIT, to my friends and my classmates there sa AB English Society, and also of course to Almighty God. I offered my win. I offer my achievement to Him, and to all the people of Iligan. Thank you very much for your support.